Did you know that you can create a powerful liquid fertilizer from potatoes? This fertilizer is not only strong, but also helps build soil health, increases microbial activity, and provides essential nutrients for your plants. Making it is easy and involves just a few simple steps. Start by gathering your ingredients. You will need 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. Choose potatoes that are firm and not sprouted or rotten. These will give you the best results. Potatoes are rich in starch and other nutrients that can boost your plant's growth. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sea salt. This salt helps with the nutrient absorption and also provides some minerals that plants love. You will also need an equal amount of compost. Compost is fantastic for soil health as it contains a variety of nutrients and beneficial microbes. It acts like a booster, helping your plants thrive. You can use homemade compost or store-bought compost, but make sure it's well decomposed. To prepare your fertilizer, start by grinding the potatoes. You can use a blender or food processor for this. If you don't have either, you can chop the potatoes into small pieces and then mash them with a fork or a potato masher. The goal is to break them down so that they release their nutrients easily into the water. Once the potatoes are ground, take a piece of cheesecloth or an old clean cloth. Place the ground potatoes in the center of the cloth, along with the tablespoon of sea salt and the equal amount of compost. Gather the edges of the cloth and tie them securely to form a pouch. To ensure that the pouch sinks in the water, add a small stone or weight inside it. This will help it stay submerged and release its nutrients effectively. Next, it's time to prepare the water. You'll need about 10 liters of water for this fertilizer. It's best to use non-chlorinated water, as chlorine can harm beneficial microorganisms. If you have rainwater, that's perfect. Otherwise, you can let tap water sit out for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to evaporate. In a suitable container, add the 10 liters of water and then drop the pouch you made into the water. After adding the pouch, close the lid loosely. This allows gases to escape while preventing any debris from getting in. Place the container in a partially shady area, away from direct sunlight, as too much sun can heat the water and affect the fermentation process. Leave the container for about 1 week. During this time, the nutrients from the potatoes and compost will leach into the water, creating a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After a week, your fertilizer will be ready. Carefully remove the pouch from the container. You can compost the remaining potato and compost material, or throw it in your garden as a mulch layer to continue benefiting your soil. Now, it's time to use this magical liquid fertilizer. Before applying it to your plants, you need to dilute it. The ideal ratio is 10 parts water to 1 part fertilizer. For example, if you take 1 cup of the potato fertilizer, mix it with 10 cups of water. This dilution ensures that the fertilizer is gentle on your plants while still providing the nutrients they need. You can use this potato fertilizer on a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, flowers, and houseplants. It will help promote healthy growth, improve soil structure, and increase microbial activity in the soil. Your plants will love the extra nutrients, and you'll likely notice an improvement in their overall health and productivity. As you can see, making potato liquid fertilizer is not only easy, but also incredibly beneficial for your garden. It's a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and provide your plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. So, why not give it a try? Your plants will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like and share this video with your friends so they can learn how to make this amazing liquid fertilizer too.